For these types of problems, you're going to have to find the value of the underlying digit and write a value that is 10 times smaller. So let's look at those directions. We're going to find the value, and remember the value is the amount the digits or numbers actually worth, and a digit is just a single number, 0 through 9, that represents a value. So you're going to find the value of the underlying digit, and then you're going to write a value that's 10 times smaller. And 10 times smaller just means divided by 10. So let's look at number 1. We're going to find the value and write the value that's 10 times smaller. So on number 1, the value of this 3 is 300 because it's in the hundreds place. And now we're going to make that 10 times smaller. Well, 10 times smaller is the same thing as divided by 10 or 1/10 of. So if this value is 300, to make it 10 times smaller, we need to do 300 divided by 10. But there is an easier way. We can just think about, right now, we have 3 hundreds. Well, to make it 10 times smaller, we can think about the relationship between the places in the place value system. Every time you move from one place to the left to the next place, you're multiplying by 10. You're getting 10 times bigger. So if you have 1 million and you move it next door, it turns into 10 million, which is 10 times bigger. Well, the opposite is true when you go the other way. So when you're going from left to right, instead of getting 10 times bigger, you're getting 10 times smaller. 10 times smaller means divided by 10. So every time you move to the right, you're getting 10 times smaller. So in this case, we have a 3 in the hundreds place. If we want to get it 10 times smaller, you can just move the 3 over one place to the right, and then it would be 10 times smaller. So 10 times smaller than 300 is 30. So let's look at number 3. Right now we have a 9. So the value is 900,000. Right now the 9 is in the hundred thousands place. So we could do 900,000 divided by 10 to make it 10 times smaller, or we could just think about moving one place value to the right and making that 9 go there, and then it would be 10 times smaller. It would be 90,000. So 90,000 is 10 times smaller than 900,000. So let's look at one more example. On number 4, the value of the 9 is 900. Well, to make it 10 times smaller, let's just move the 9 over one place value and put the 9 in the tens place. So 90 is 10 times smaller than 900. All right, you try the rest of them yourself, and if you need help, just watch this video again.